How to use Instagram on your phone for beginners. Now that's what I'm going to show you guys in this video. So let's get started right away. Now, if you open up Instagram for the first time, you first have to create an account. Now you can do that with Facebook, your email address, or your phone number. And once you've done that, you'll end up on this page probably. It's completely blank because you do not follow anybody yet. Now, Instagram has 5 sort of like sections at the bottom. This keeps changing over time, but as of right now, the first one is your feed. You can see the post of people that you follow. Second one is explore. Third one is reels. Fourth one is the shop. And the fifth one is your own profile. Now, this is also completely blank because I have 0 posts, 0 followers, and 0 following. And I don't even have a profile picture. So the first thing that we're going to go over is how to follow people or follow your friends or stuff like that. Now, in order to follow people, you kind of just want to go to your Explore, and here you can follow stuff that you may like, but you can also search for accounts. So let's say I would search for my other account right here, then I can find it just like that. I can click on the follow button, and now I follow this account. So now if I go back to my profile, you can now see that I follow one account. So if I would go back to my home screen and that account would post something right now, I would see it on my home screen. But there is still no post because that person hasn't posted. But basically, you can just search for, or go back to the Explorer and search for like PlayStation, for example, and just follow it just like that. You can also do like Nike, follow it. You can follow like artists like, Travis Scott maybe, and once you followed a couple people and refresh your feed, you'll start seeing posts of people that you follow. So I currently have a couple, and you'll also start to getting to see some ads, but you can see some posts right here. And the more people or accounts you follow, the more posts you're going to see, of course. So that's how you can kind of like add or follow people that you want. And so now we're going to go over to the next part, and that is DMs. So if you swipe to the right, you can here see all your DMs. Now I actually have a professional account, that's why I have primary and general, but you probably just have the regular chats. So here you can see all your chats. You can search for people as well, for example this account, and I can start chatting with that account. That's just how it goes. And right besides the DM button, you can also see your likes. So if you click on there, here you can see your activity. So you can see your likes, but also the new activity from accounts that you follow, for example. And right besides that, you can see this plus icon. And here you can add a post, a story, a reel, or go live. So those are like 4 different things that you can do. So first we're going to go over the post. So here you can post something, for example, this photo, then click on next, and you can add a filter or edit it to your own liking. Click next, and here you can see, here you can write a caption, and then you can just click on share, and I'm now posting this picture. That's how you can basically post something. You can also go back right here and then also click on the plus icon, and it will look like this, right? So you can just here you can actually also add an IGTV video, so you can kind of just click on these yourself and see what's up and just what they actually do. But here we're gonna immediately go over the profile editing section. So if you go or click on edit profile, you can change the profile picture at the top. You can add a name, change your username, add pronouns, a website, a bio. So just say like, hello, what's up? Something like that, in your bio. And you can do all kinds of stuff with that. So now it updated, as you can see. So I believe that's kind of just the basics of Instagram that you should know. The rest you can kind of figure out yourself. It's just pretty easy. And I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked. I'll see you next time. Have a good day.